OneNote is a computer program that allows you to keep track of your thoughts, ideas, reminders, and other information in a digital notebook. But if you're using Outlook and you might want to send an email to your preferred notebook in OneNote, we would show you how you can do that in this video tutorial. To start, open Microsoft OneNote on your desktop, and to change the storage location of notes you send from Outlook to OneNote, simply go to the File tab and then select Options. In the category list on the left side of the OneNote Options window, select Send to OneNote. In the Outlook Item section, change the sending location of the email messages, meeting notes, contact notes, and task notes to Always Ask Where to Send option. Now once you're done doing that, click OK. Now when you try the Send to OneNote option in one look, it would ask you what notebook you want to send the email or the reminder. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.